Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading I have after this general energy. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Six of Swords, King of Swords in reverse and Knight of Pentacles. So Aries, in your situation today, guys, you are someone really responsible, caring, and you are someone people look up for support and guidance, and you are a very useful person. So in any situation you are very kind, compassionate, helping the people who are there with you. So in your work situation or in your personal life, you are a very compassionate and helpful person. So people greatly admire you for that, and they find you a very good person to relate their situation and get guidance or get help. It may be a financial help or a physical help. So you are someone very useful to the people around you, guys, Aries. And Aries, I also see that you are having someone in your life today, maybe in your work, or it may be a person in your life, in your relationship, or in your family. So they are really close to you. They look like someone with honest intentions towards you, but they have some bad intentions. So you need to be careful with this person, guys. So they are working against you, giving you a lot of troubles or placing a lot of obstacles in your path. So in your work or in your relationship, this person is trying to create a lot of problems for you, guys. So they are trying to create a separation between you both. So they may be speaking bad things about you to this person you love, or about them to you, and they are trying to separate you in some ways. So you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. So if you have any idea who it is, you have to try to avoid this person. And I also see that maybe for some of you, you are traveling for work, or you are moving to a different place, maybe to a different job, changing residence. So some kind of a move is there in your life today, guys. And I also see that you are moving away from difficulties, guys. So maybe this person with evil intentions, they may move away from you by themselves without you doing anything. So some kind of your problems are getting resolved, guys, Aries. So you may have some troubles, but whatever it is, it may get resolved, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards, Aries. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So, for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So, some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for you all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional, maybe you are crying, you are very much disturbed, but all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes Not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to uh, what is a don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.